My name is Todd Penny and I'm co-owner of Dalex Auto Services here in Fort Nelson, BC.
My name is Diana Penny and I'm co-owner of Dalex Auto. Dalex Auto has been part of many events here, whether it's through volunteering or donating or ideas or whatever we can do possible to make it happen.
Owning a small business in a community like Fort Nelson, to me I feel we have an obligation to help support everything that goes on in a small town. It's normally small businesses are the backbone to keeping those things alive.
To own a small business in Fort Nelson brings the community together. You know the people that you're putting safely on the road. It gives you a meaning, a purpose, and just the gratitude you get from your customers and from the town, it's huge.
Here at Dalex, we decided that nobody in Fort Nelson that really offered RV repair and maintenance. We carry RV parts and supplies for all makes and models, to the point now that we've put in a 40,000-pound hoist so we can get people back on the road as quick as possible.
My favorite thing about working at Dalex Auto is the environment here. Todd and Diana are pretty awesome people to work for. The bosses treat me and my family very well.
It's like working with a family. We're for a long time. Todd and Diana are really excellent to work for and work with. Really enjoy being here.
I think my favorite thing working at Dalex is meeting the travelers coming through that's having a bit of trouble and interacting with them, getting to know their stories, where they're traveling from.
It feels good helping out customers when they're having a tough time, trying to do a once-in-a-lifetime trip and find themselves in dire need of repair. And it's almost heartwarming that we have an opportunity to help them out and let them complete their journey.
The amount of people that we get to help is what really stands out in my mind here. We get to meet some amazing people from all over the world just by staying right here in Fort Nelson. And as with anybody that shows up in an automotive shop, it's not your best day. You're normally finding out that your plans have had to change, you're not going to get to whatever event you planned, and you're pretty upset, and we try to make it as easy as possible and get you back on the road as quick as we can.